Hello, friends. Hope you all are well wherever you are. Today, we are going to talk about which IDE we can use for writing a Python program. Um, Different person have their different choice. So I prefer Spyder or Jupyter Notebook. If you have a Spyder installed, that's great. Or if you have a Jupyter Notebook installed, that's great. um Either one will do, or if you have a different id, atoms or VS code or anything, that will do, but if you install Anaconda, then you will find all the id it comes with this, um you will see there is spider. It comes with a Jupyter Notebook, So if you install Anaconda, then it comes with all of this, and you can just install from there, and it will and it can, once you install, it can launch from there. And so if you if you are not familiar with Anaconda, which is great, you can always download, the Navigator download. I'll just do it. So if you just go to the individual edition, Anaconda individual editions, there is a couple of them. One is a team edition, one is a commercial edition, a couple of them. So these are the free one, so if you install, download and install, and then it comes with all the preloaded id, and you can install from there. So it takes quite a lot of space, 477 megabyte. It will take times, you need to prepare yourself, it takes quite a lot of time to download and install, and follow the on-screen instruction, for installations. And if you're still finding hard to install, just please do let me know. And also you can also download and install, individual Spyder. Spyder download, without installing the Anaconda. Like, you can obviously, um, install Spyder IDE, on his own. um, if you just go to that website, from there you can follow the on-screen instruction, you'll see on the bottom of the page, this download for Windows, and if you're using Macs, then it will show you the for the Macs, and also you can individual download, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook, which is another very nice idea, for beginner, um, and there's a couple of versions, there is it's a Jupyter Lab, but the nicer one I'm using, I used the notebook, Jupyter Notebook, and I'll show you, the both of them, the Spider and Jupyter Notebook as well, when we'll write the code, so pretty much this, so you can prepare yourself, install and download any of the IDs, and from the next video we'll try to writing the programs and stuff, so see you next video. Thanks very much. Thanks. Bye bye.